There is a move to close the nomination. Any second?
Second.
Sino yung nag-second?
Patrick Sulia.
It was seconded by Patrick Sulia. Any objection?
No objection.
Sorry, Balvin, hindi ko niluto, ano? Pero we are following the procedure. By the way, nung na-nominate si Balvin, I forgot to ask. Balvin, do you accept the nomination? Yan, nagdalawang isip tuloy. Balvin C. was nominated for president.
Yes.
Dapat pala, bago tayo nag-proceed doon sa closing of the nomination, I will ask muna Balvin to accept. To formally accept the nomination. Again, Balvin, do you accept the nomination as president of MAMC? Yes or no lang, sir? Walang maybe, walang pwede.
Kasi sabi ni ate mo, 1 year lang eh. Hindi 2 years.
Pag nagkaroon tayo ng General Assembly next year,
Pwede.
magkakaroon rin tayo ng election.
Pwede yung 1 year.
Hindi lang people's initiative.
Walang people's initiative dito. Kaya lang I was waiting actually for us to master, to come up with a good number of 25 as mandated by NAMA. So, at salamat at nalampasan natin yung 25. Dumating kasi si Sir Richard, si Ana at saka si Katrina. So, thank you for your presence. Naka-reach tayo ng tamang number to have this election. Tsaka si Howell. Howell de Pedro. Kabisado ko yung mapigay ko na. Lagi ko kasi tinatanong eh. Again, Sir Balvin, do you accept?
Yes.
Yes sir, approved without thinking.
Thank you very much. Again, considering it was moved to close and duly seconded without any objection, the President now for MAMC for the year 2024 to 2025, 2026, 2027, 20, ano yan? May kansulisimano si Balvin. Okay. Mr. Balvin C. is elected as President for the year 2024 to 2025 or until a succession has been elected.
On the year 2030.
On the year
2030.
2025. Without any succession or without any General Assembly, he will follow and serve the term for 2 years.
Yes.
But if there is a General Assembly, without prejudice for you being re-elected, maaaring mapalitan ka. The nomination is now open for the first Vice President.
Mr. Moreno? Engineer Moreno.
Yes, Mr. President.
Is impeachment allowed?
Yes, impeachment is
Just asking.
yes. Any nomination for first Vice President?
I nominate Mr. Radia for Vice President. First Vice President. Dim na.
Red.
Radia.
I think it's DIM. Madilim. Dim.
Yan ba?
Dim.
Yan.
Hindi. Mr. Dim, do you accept the nomination as first Vice President?
Approve without thinking.
Alam ko sir, kakastan niyo ako eh. Joke lang. Yeah, in the interest of serving the advancement of the MAMC, I accept the nomination.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dim. Any more nomination? Kurt, mag-close ka na naman. Ano?
Yes, sir. I move to close the nomination.
I
It
second
was-
the motion. Ay, hindi ako ito.
It was moved by Kurt to close the nomination and duly seconded by Patrick. Any objection? Hearing none, Mr. Dimantang Radya is now our first Vice President. How about for the second VP? The nomination is now open. Yes, sir.
I respectfully nominate Mr. Patrick Suga as the
Patrick Suya was nominated as second VP. Mr. Patrick Suya, do you accept?
Yes.
I have no choice for now.
Well, that's good enough for me. Thank you, Patrick. Any more nomination? Yes, ma'am.
I move that the nomination for the second VP be closed.
Yes.
I second the motion.
It was moved and duly seconded. Any objection?
None.
Hearing none, our second VP is Engineer Patrick Suya. Let's give him a big hand. The secretarial position is now open for nomination.
Where are we at? Mariel.
I'm right.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to nominate Ms. Mariel Sica.
Yes.
Current secretary is renominated for the position of secretary. Any more nomination? Yes, Patrick.
I move to close the nomination.
Yes.
Siyempre, parang wala nakawala.
It was moved and seconded. Any objection? Yes, Dave, you are raising your hand.
No objection.
Naintindihan. Ayan, congratulations. Ano pag-bilis ba ang English? The position for treasurer is now open for nomination.
I nominate Ms. Casalina Asuncion for the position of
Where's Katrina?
Miss Katrina Asuncion is nominated for treasurer. Before she was the auditor, right? So, nag-level up na lang siya.
Yes.
Any more nomination?
SU.
Asuncion, A.S. Alice Quincy. Any more nomination?
No more. I close na.
Yes, sir.
I move to close the nomination.
Any second?
Second motion.
Move and seconded. Any objection?
No objection.
Si Hubble. Hubble, any objection? Hearing none from the better half,
Soon to be.
soon to be better half. Our treasurer is Kate Asuncion.
Yes.
The nomination for auditor is now open. How about the younger bloods here present? I don't know.
Sa libo.
Yes, the girl in blue.
Uy, sa Dia.
Sige na yan.
I nominate Ms.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
I nominate Ms. Crazy
Wow.
Pwede makuha muli yung name.
Crazy K-R
K-
I-Z-I-E. Sagibo.
CIA.
Z-I-E. Crazy. Sorry.
Zia.
Ah, crazy.
Zia. Zia.
Oh, pasensya na na kasi.
Letter C.
So, Sagibo. Sagibo. S-A-G-U-I-B-E.
SAB. Ayun na, sinulat na.
Sagibo. Risha Sagibo.
Anong batch ka? Wow! Talaga ah? Fresh grad. We welcome you na. Oh. Any more nomination? Naku, lagot ka mamaya, nominate ka.
Ay.
Any more nomination? Any motion to close? Ayun, mga nagsisik. Ay, hindi siya pwede mag-close kasi siya yung nag-nominate eh. Oo. Okay, the perennial closing. Sir,
Sir, may award ba yan?
oo,
I don't know the relation for you.
it was moved to be closed. Any second? Seconded by Ayen. Any objection? Nag-object ata yun.
Nag-object na.
Teka, sorry. Hindi ko natanong. Do you accept the nomination? Oh, yes daw. Okay. Wala na objection? Hearing none, let's give a big hand to Krisha. O, sa PRO naman tayo. PRO. Naku yan, gaganti na. Yes, ma'am.
Yan.
Wow. Clarice? Ano daw? Pasensya ka na, wala akong si Mike dyan. Hindi ko natin.
Isang R lang po. C.
Isang.
Clarice?
R-I-C-E.
CA.
Verdeflor. V. E-R-D-E. F-D-E-F-L-O-R.
Bird the floor. Talaga lang, pahirapan tayo ng mga pangalan na yun. Paki-ayos naman yung miss.
Twice.
Miss Clarice, do you accept? Teka, hayaan natin siya magsalita. Thank you very much, Clarice. Any more nomination?
I close the nomination.
You cannot, ma'am. Sino ba nag-nominate? Ay, okay, you can pala. Sorry.
Yes.
I second the motion.
Move to close and duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, let's give a big hand to our new PRO, Mr. Ruben. Yung trustees, importante rin po ito, no? Kasi you would note, we have 11. Para makakuha ka ng quorum, you should need how many? 6. So, kadalasan yan, pagka may mga problema doon sa itaas, ito mga trustees na mag-fill in. And besides, pwede mag-step up yung mga trustees to assume the positions stated above. The nomination for trustees is now open. I-nominate na natin yung iba pa. Yes, Kate. Sino daw?
Ana Mozo.
Oh, Ana. Si Ana. Ana Mozo. Yung Z yan, Z. Yung Mozo. Oh. No, N. Mozo. Ana, may ino-nominate ka? O si Howell De Pedro. Saka ko natatanungin isa-isa. Howell. H-O-W-E-L-L De Pedro. Double L ba? O pwede na?
Parang Dowell.
Yes, Steve. May nominate ka?
Wow.
Mamaya natin tatawin. Ivan. Kurt Ivan. Alparo. Tama.
May isa.
Alparo.
AI.
Letter A, as in alpha. Yung Ivan. A as in alpha, I as in India. Alpha India.
Alfaro. Meron pa?
I
Yes,
nominate Robin Torres po.
Asan siya? Robin Torres.
Wow.
Torres ba tama? Ayun, at least nakakuha tayo ng madali-dali ng spelling. Robin Torres. Miss Ana Moso, do you accept the nomination? How about you, Howell? Mr. Ivan?
Yes.
How about Robin? Do I hear anybody closing the nomination?
I close the nomination.
Any second? Any objection? Yes, ang galing. We now have the four set of trustees, Anna, Howell, Ivan, and Robin. Let's give them a big hand.
Yes.
Mr. Bernie Mariano, here is now the composition of the new set of officers of MAPC for 2024-2025 initially. Yung advisors, you can choose among yourselves dun sa hindi na kailangan yung GA, yung General Assembly. Among the set of trustees, pwede na kayong mamili. As long as it's approved by the body, carry there, hindi na kailangan dumaan sa General Assembly.
I will just, kasi, I'm asking kasi I just want to nominate Ricky.
Tanda na ako.
To be one of our advisors. Yes. Ricky, ano ba
Walang alang sa iyo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Kaya ang
Ricky.
alang sa iyo may yeah.
By the way, si Ricky is Osmond, is our
Kabansa
member
tayo sa
sa
bago
POMI. He is a graduate of MIE in 82.
82.
He took up his engineering course in 4.5 years. Medyo tinatamad pa siya nun kaya 4.5 years niya nakuha. He is our top awardee for government service. He is very magaling,
Yes.
gwapo pa,
Yes.
and willing to serve MAMC in his capacity as advisor. Let's welcome Ricky as
Yes.
part of the advisory board of MAMC. Sige, since you are doing it anyway, sino pa nominate mo for advisor? Okay.
He is willing also to serve.
Dean Michael Young.
Yes.
Okay, I acknowledge that as an acceptance. Dean, anong batch ka?
2006 pumasok, 11 po pumasok.
6, 7, 5 years.
Double degree.
Ay, iyabang. Ano?
Sir, doctor.
At saka PhD pa.
Walang wala
Thank
eh.
you, Dean. Yung yang mo, yang as in bata o yang as in yung McDonald's? Ayan. Bata.
AEL.
Thank you, Dean.
Mikael.
Mikael, yeah. So aside from the earlier mentioned advisors,
Osmond is old.
Yes.
Oh. Osmond. Osmond.
Yan.
ano yan eh, Richard Albert.
Nako, yaman na yun.
Ayan ni Albert.
Richard
Tama na yan.
Richard Albert
It's enough.
Osman. Dating kasama siya dun sa Osmond Brothers.
Yes.
Hindi kayo
Ayan,
makakapit.
guys.
Pasensya na, hindi
Hindi
sila
nila.
Si Donnie Oscar.
We now have 7 advisors. Kasama si Sir Ricky at saka si Dean Yang, si Dean Mike. My task is now complete. We would like to invite you to the Alumni Night celebration.
Yeah.
Actually, mamayang gabi yun, sa gym natin, it will start, the registration will start at around 5 o'clock, pero yung ceremony mga 6 yan. We look forward to your presence sa ating alumni night and likewise invite you sa alumni homecoming ng NAMA, and that will be in May 26, Saturday at the Marriott Hotel. Hindi pala Marriott Grand Ballroom
Yeah.
at Newport World Resort.
Kabasko.
Thank you very much.
Ang bago yan.
Si Bagay.
Parang kabasko to eh.